November 17th, 2020 on your own. Select two of the following tables of equivalent ratios that are completed correctly. I should say that are completed correctly. There we go. All right, so what we are going to do is figure out two of these that are completed correctly. So let's start comparing. Let's start looking. Well, I know I can use my arrows here because I know that 2 times 4 is 8. So I should be able to go times 4 from the number of skates to the number of wheels all the way down. So 2 times 4 is 8. Yes, it is. 4 times 4 is that 16? Yep. And 6 times 4 is that 24? Yeah, it is. So this table is correct. So we got one of them. We need to select 2. All right, now number of chairs and number of tables. Ooh, we've got 18 and we've got 3. I know I can use my arrows here as well because I know 3 times 6 is 18. So I should be able to multiply by 6 all the way down from the number of tables to the number of chairs. So is 5 times 6 35? Ooh, not quite. 5 times 6 is going to be, whatchamacallit? 5 times 6 is going to be 30, not 35, so I'm going to put that in red. But this last one, 6 times 6 is 36. But because this is incorrect, that means this whole table is going to be incorrect. So I'm going to X that. All right, so let's hope this last one works. I know 1 times 15 is going to be 15. So I should be able to move down the whole thing, multiplying by 15. All right, so is 2 times 15 30? Yes, it is. How about 4 times 15? Is that 60? Yeah, it is. So that is it for the on your own. And you have selected 2 that are correct, so great job.